everybody, it's Kelly, and I'm doing a little bit of scrapbooking today. So I'm documenting finishing up my December daily album. I like to just do this even though I have the album, it's kind of a big accomplishment. So I like just getting that down. And I'm using that sort of green snowy dot paper. That is from the Echo Park A Cozy Christmas collection, and it's the snow globe paper. So I'm thinking I want to use a doily behind that. So you saw me kind of playing with that. And then I loved this black floral paper, and that is from the Echo Park A Cozy Christmas paper. It's the journaling cards paper. And I'm mounting that on that red paper, which is Cartabella Christmas Delivery, and it's the black and cream plaid, which is actually on the back side of that. So I'm just getting a border. I often do this where I have something that's highly patterned like that one is, and I just add in a border behind it. Now, the white edges of that paper were showing, so I took my Memento Dewdrop ink in gray flannel, and I'm going to do the edges of that, and then I'll do the edges of this to kind of help it stand off that background a little bit. It gives the paper just a little bit of a shadow. Then I have this doily, and I did not, it's from Hobby Lobby, from their cake section. I don't remember exactly what that doily is called, but that's where that's from. And when I do doilies, a lot of times I find, especially on dark backgrounds like that one is a little bit, it's not white enough for me. So I actually went in and I used two doilies then, and that's what I did here as well. I haven't used a doily in ages, and they've been calling out to me. Okay, so then I have this tag that I love. It says, "It's a most wonderful time of the year," which is from the Cozy Christmas Frames and Tags. And then I'm kind of playing around. I have that kind of wood die cut there that says Hello December, which is so appropriate because this is my December daily book. And then I'm just looking for stickers and things that will work with this. The stickers here are coming from Echo Park Cozy Christmas Element stickers. And this collection is very, very traditional. And I just loved the feminine, traditional vibe that it had for Christmas. This is not my typical Christmas scrapbooking. A lot of times I like things that are bright and clean. I use a lot of Ellie Studio product in Christmas scrapbooking, but this one, I don't know. There's just some of my Christmas layouts I really like to use these. And I still do have Christmas layouts to scrapbook. This was done in February. You're not going to see this probably till late March or April, I think. But I've got a scrapbook weekend coming up in the nearish future when I'm doing this voiceover. And my intent is to finish any Christmas scrapbooking, any Halloween scrapbooking that I still have to do. And I think I even still have Easter layouts from last year because I don't scrap chronologically. I don't scrap chronologically until I get close to where I'm finishing a year, and then I'll do it. But during the year, I don't scrapbook chronologically. Or sometimes I just get irritated with scrapping stuff in the spring and I just finish all those early layouts. So anyway, again, just kind of looking to see what would work here. I'm going back and forth about using different stickers, different positions, and things are just not working for me. So I'm going back again. I so want to use those pine trees or pine branches. Now I like this together, but it's too small for the bottom. So I end up putting that up on top. So it's the like Santa boots and then the Hello December there. And that again is from that sticker sheet. And I did pop those boots up on some foam tape so that I'm getting some dimension on this layout. And obviously the texture, and there's a little bit of dimension to the doily, but I wanted to see more. I like that black and white stocking. Tried to go with that Merry Christmas piece. But in the end, I go back to the It's a Most Wonderful Time of the Year, which is awesome. That I finally did it. That I finally used that tag after that was the very first thing I picked out. And then took a journey to get there. But isn't that the way it is sometimes? Again, popping that stocking up on foam tape. And basically what I've done is I've scrapbooked the photo mat, and then it's going down on the background. And I did that just because I wanted to make sure that I had enough room with all of my embellishments that it wasn't going to be too wide for that floral paper. So that's why I did that way. All right, adding, just picking some red twine here. And I did have most of my Christmas supplies pulled out. I've since put a lot of them back now. I keep them all in the same sort of box, the same box. I have a box from Michael's like that you would normally store. You can store 12 by 12 projects, lots of different things. That's where that stuff lives when I'm not using it during the year. And I need to see how many. I might actually put it away because I might want it, if I take that to the crop with me, I have to have it enclosed. Right now it's in an open basket. It would be hard to move that way. So anyway, if you ever want to see how I store my Christmas supplies to use during the year, I have December daily prep videos in each of the years, and that kind of shows you the basket I use and how I store them if you're ever interested. And they tend to stay on my desk until I'm done scrapping the Christmas layouts, because then I can just pull from it. And then my paper also sits just to kind of my right hand, so that I've got it all ready for December daily, but it's also great for Christmas scrapbooking. Now I'm adding in some snowflakes from that a Cozy Christmas collection from Echo Park. And that twine, by the way, was a Hobby Lobby twine. It's a Paper Studio twine. Thinking about that little kind of branch piece, but it didn't work out. Actually, it's leaves. It's not a branch. And I'm thinking I'm ready for some enamel dots. Yes, embellishments. Those are enamel dots, Kelly. That is the Alta New enamel dots in Red Cosmos. And it's just adding a nice little touch at the end of this. And I love how this turned out. I love the traditional look of this. So 3 enamel dots in each cluster. All right, you guys, coming up is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.